I'm Dr. Julia Ivy, and welcome to Employability Freedom Institute, the place where you can learn and practice the tools to craft your edge for the market and industry of your choice. And here you will find training, the combination of training and coaching, where step by step, in your own pace, in your own comfortable way, you can learn the techniques of how to craft your own specific voice and make your case, to establish your space, to establish your presence in the market and industry of your choice. This includes several courses, and these are core courses, and of course we will have a bunch of elective courses based on your request and demand. So the first is introductory, very short, boutique employability. What is this? If you need it, and if you are with us, and of course you will take our free assessment, is boutique employability for you, and we hope that after this course and after this assessment you decided, yes, I am in this journey. And then the main journey includes 4 courses, E, D, G, E. E is about your personal strategy, or how you can elucidate your core, your new professional core for the market and industry of your choice. The D is your social strategy, or how you can develop trust in the industry and market of your choice. G is your professional strategy, or how you can justify that you are ready and capable to generate value. And the last one is E, or your impression strategy of how to impress the market and industry of your choice. Each of these 4 courses are again self-paced, where you can choose several options of a group coaching or self-coaching, and again a combination of them. And each of them is shaped with 3 questions. First is why, second is what, and the last is how. The first is why. Why do you need this course? Why do you need this strategy or this strategy or this and this? What kind of capital you accumulating while learning and practices these techniques? The second is what, right? What is this personal strategy, social strategy, professional strategy, impression strategy, and what strategy you already unconsciously are using in your life? And if you like it, perfect. If you don't like, we will show you how you can own this and change this. And the largest part of each course is the how, where you step by step with our templates and again videos and coaching session will learn how to do it well. You can take each course individually, but it would be smart if you take them in bundles. The first bundle unites E and E. So it's you. It's focused on you and your voice. We call this your voice because it's defined your core, and it helps you to communicate your new professional core to stakeholders, to people who you want to know about this. The second bundle is your case, which include D and G. And this bundle let you implement this core in reality and actually connect with these stakeholders and justify that you are ready to generate value. And of course, the best bundle, it's all 4 courses together, and we call is your edge. So, welcome to our Employability Freedom Institute, and I guarantee you, if you follow these steps, E, D, G, E, and if you believe into the idea of boutique employability, where it's you who feel empowered and it's you who craft your own edge for this world. I guarantee you will know how to reach the next stepping stone as a BE, as boutique employability, and how the combination of these stepping stones provide you with employability, freedom. Welcome to us. Join us, please, in our community.